Hi guys, we're gonna try some Bowen Secondary School paper. Um, this is the first of the series of videos I'm gonna make about into the mind of an A student. I'll be showing how I think about every single problem very logically without needing to memorize any formula. Okay, let's go. Question 1. Find the coefficient of x. So coefficient of x is everything that's in front of x. So for xy minus x is gonna be 4y minus 1. So I think this is the answer. 4y minus 1. What's the constant term? There isn't a constant term. 0, I think. Okay, let's go. Consider the following 6 numbers. Which of the above numbers are integers? Integers is numbers like this, and that's all. There we go. 3 rational numbers. This is a rational number. This is irrational. This is irrational. This is rational. Yeah. So negative 1.23, 1, 4 over 7. Irrational numbers, pi and square root 2. Arrange the above numbers in descending order. So pi is about 3.14. 4 over 7 is about it's more than half, so more than 1.5, so it's like maybe 1.6, maybe like that. Okay, square root 2 is 1.4 something, 1.41, I don't know. Okay, something like that. So let's see. This is the smallest. Okay, so this is 1, and then 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, usually the problem we have is copying the answer. Okay, there we go. In descending order. Okay, backwards from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Biggest number is pi. Then it's gonna be 3, then it's gonna be 1, 4 over 7, square root 2, and 1. Okay, let's go. Write the algebraic expression for each of the following statement. Add 15 to the product of h and m. So h times m plus 15. We can also write it as hm plus 15. Subtract 3k from the product of 2c and 3u. So 2c times 3u minus 3k. Okay, so we go 3 times 2 is 6, 6cu minus 3k. Okay, so it's going to be 6cu minus 3k. I hope this is what you expected. Multiply the product of y and z by 19y. So I just need to multiply all these three things, y, z, and 19y. Well, I can put the y's together. I'll get 19y square z. 19y square z. Express 2160 as product of prime factors. I hate this kind of question. Okay, but let's do this. I'll divide by 2. I'll get 1, 0, 8, 0. And divide by 2, 5, 4, 0. And divide by 2 again. 54 is going to be 170. Okay, and divide by 2 again is possible because it's, yeah, there's 0, so 16. So 8, 5, 85. Okay, I think this can be divided by 5. And 1, 35, 17. 17 is a prime number. There we go. It's done. I'm getting a cue that I'm wrong in this part. Supposed to be 270. Okay, so again, just divide by 2. Okay, let's try again. No works. Divide by 2 again. You're gonna get 1 and 3 and 5. Divide by 5. This should be fine. 2, 7. Oh yeah, divide by 3. 3. Divide by 3. 1. No, divide by 3 is 9. There we go. And divide by 3 is yeah, and one more 3 and you'll be done. Okay. So it's going to be 2 to the power of 4 times 5 times 3 cube. It's fine. There we go. Right. No. Using your answer in part A, find the largest 3-digit number that is a factor of that thing. So they want 2160 is equal to some 3-digit number times some number. Okay, largest 3-digit number. Let's try, I think this is trial and error, but let's try 5 times 3. That will give us 15 times 3. That's going to give us 20, 30, 37, 45 times 3 again. Okay, 45 times 3. I should use calculator. Where's my calculator? Give me a sec. Okay, continue. 155 times 3 is 135. And then that's all the 3's we have. Let's try some 2 times 2. Gonna get 270 times 2 again. You're gonna get 540. Oh, okay. Then if you times 2 again, you'll get 1000 something. So this is it. So this is gonna be, let's rewrite thing. 5 times 3 times 3 times 2 times 2. Oops. 540. Yeah, there we go. 540 is the answer. The smallest integer k such that 2160k is a perfect cube. For a perfect cube, we need something like a cube in each of the terms. There's 2 to the power 4 though. So we need to change 2 to the power 4 to 2 to the power 6. So we can split them up into, factors of, okay, I'll show you guys what it is. I'll change this into, I need to add like 5 times to the power of 2. So I get into the multiple of 3. Yeah, okay, then 2 to the power 4. I'll multiply 2 to the power of 2. Okay, so in the end, what will you get? So this number, I'm multiplying this number. What will you get? You get 2 to the power of 6 times 5 to the power of 3 times 5 to the power of 3. This is so that if it's a perfect cube, because look, it's going to be 2 times 2 square times 5 times 3 cube. So that's why it's a perfect cube. Okay, so the number added multiplied was 5 square times 4. 25 times 4, which is going to be 100. Okay, hope that makes sense logically. Okay. The following table records the maximum and minimum daily temperatures of the city on 5 consecutive days, Monday to Friday. Which day shows the greatest temperature difference? Maximum, minimum, which is the greatest? This is like negative 13. Difference is 13. Difference is 12. Difference is 2. Difference is 5. Difference is 12. 13 is the biggest difference. There we go. Okay, I'm not right. Yeah, I'm not wrong. Okay, so Monday. Which day shows the least temperature difference is 2. Wednesday. Which day records the coldest temperature? Well, minimum, right? Minimum. 15, negative 15 is the coldest, so Monday again. Yeah. Let's keep going. Oh, I love these kind of questions. Very quick. Solve the following equations. Okay. This is going to be 4a minus 9. Expand it out. 3a plus 12. Now make like the subject. Make a to come one side. So it will be 4 minus 3. Because I'm moving the 3 there. You will left over with a. And then 9 move there. So it's 9 plus 12. 21. So a is 21. Oh, okay, 21. Oh, 2 marks. Nice, thank you. Oh, this fraction. Okay, I like this. T over 5 minus t plus 2 over 7 plus 2 equal to 2. Oh, I like this new technique I learned. Just get rid of fractions first. So how do you do that? Times all the fractions, like times it by 5 times 7, which is 35 to both sides. So you're going to get 7t minus 5 times t plus 2. And then 35 times 2 is going to be 70. Yeah. 70 minus 5t minus 10 is equal to 7t. And so 2t is going to be 8t. I like the number of t's there. T is equal to 4t. 40. Okay. Same thing again. Same idea. I'm going to multiply both sides by 3 times 2, 6. Multiply both sides by 6. So you're going to get 3 times 7x minus 2, 2 times 5x minus 3. 7 times 3 is 21x minus 6 equals to 10x minus 6. Okay, I'll move all the x's to that side. Yeah, then you're gonna get 11x, and move the non-x's to this side. It's actually 0, so x has to be 0. Yeah, right. Okay, simplify the expressions. Okay, so just expand it out. 8y plus 12 minus 10y plus 12. Move all the y's together. It's gonna be negative 2y plus 24. Negative 2y plus 24. Yeah. Express it as a single fraction in the lowest term. Okay. Well, 4 and 5 don't have any common factors, so we just do it. Multiply them together, you get 20. So 20 at the bottom. Top, it's going to be 5 times 2x plus 1 minus 4 times x minus 3. Okay, expand it out. 10x plus 5 minus 4x plus 12 minus times minus, okay? 20. This is going to become 6x plus 17 over 20. 17 and 20 have no common factor, so you can't actually divide anything. Okay, so it's going to be 6x plus 17 over 20. The prime factorization of two numbers are that and that. Okay, find the highest common factors. The highest common factor means like you can divide that number from both of them, and the biggest number you can divide from both of them. So I can take out like the highest number of 2s I can take out is 3. There's only 3 2's in this, so 2 to the power of 3 is one of the factors. And 5, there's only one 5 in that one, so again I can only take out one 5. There's 111 there, so I can take out 111 from both of them. There's no 13 here and there's no 17 here, so I can't take out that numbers from that. So if I factorize out, I can factorize out this number from both of them, and this is the biggest number I can factorize out. So the highest common factor is this thing. So I'll write is 8 times 5 times 11. 8 times 5, 40. 40 times 11, it's going to be 44, 440. 440. Yeah. Yeah, 440. LCM of these two numbers. LCM, okay, LCM. How do I think of LCM? LCM is like the number that when, let's see, what's LCM? LCM is a multiple, lowest common multiple. So when you have a number, it's the lowest number that when these two things are the denominator, will still give you like a number. So for example, you need a number that's here. If you put this under, it will still be like a number. You'll get back a proper number. If you put this thing under, it will also be a proper number. So what's the smallest number? Well, if you put 2 cube, it won't work because 2 to the power of 5 will make it into a fraction. So we need to have 2 to the power of 5. Okay, maybe I'll take out the box here. You have 2 to the power of 5, and you need to have 5 to the power of 10. Again, same logic. You need to have a bigger number there, and 11, and you must have 13 square and 17 cube. Okay, so let's put the thing in calculator. I'm not going to have to do it in my end. 2 to the power of 5 times 5 to the power of 10. Ooh. Should I just leave it in? Oh yeah, expressing in index notation. Thank you. Oopsie. Okay. So it's going to be 2 to the power of 5 times 5 to the power of 10 times 11 times 13 square, right? 13 square and 17 square. Nope, 17 cube. Okay. Find the smallest positive integer of k such that this square root exists, or like it's a whole number. Well, for this to be whole number, I need to find something like this, so that when I square root it, both of them are same, so I'll be left over with that. So that means I need to split each of the things into 2. For them to be split into 2, there must be like a even number of There's number, there should be like 6 2s, there should be 10 5s, there should be 2 11s, there should be 2 13s, and like smallest number, right? Okay, so there's, for that to be 6 2s, there must be, k should be 2, and there should be 2 11s, right? So we need one more 11. So 2 times 11, 22. K is 22. Alright, given that p is equal to negative 4, evaluate that thing. Okay, 9 times negative 4 square minus 4. Oh, okay. 4 square is 16. 16 times 9 is going to be, use calculator. Why don't we just use calculator for this? Okay, 9 times 6, oopsie, 9 times 16 minus 4 is plus 4, so 148. 148. Alright, evaluate the following without the use of calculator. Show you're working carefully, clearly. Or okay, okay, I don't like. Okay, never mind. Let's do this. Okay, 6 minus 7 is. Yeah, we have to do 6 minus 7 first. Then 22 times will be there first. Okay, 6 minus 7 negative 1 plus 22 times 5 minus 2 square. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 square is gonna be 9. So it's gonna have 22 times 9. Okay, let's do. Okay, I don't care examiner. Let's do this. 22 times 9. 18. 18, 19. Okay, 198. So negative 1 plus 198. So it's gonna be 197. 197. There we go. Next up, this thing. Okay, let me erase it. Okay, I'm not supposed to use an example. Okay, never mind. Don't care. Negative 2 cube. It's gonna be 8, negative 8 because it's a cube. Minus 12 divided by. I like to write divide like this. No, man, just divided by negative 2 minus. No, 2 minus 8. Negative 6. So I'll do this separately. Negative 12 divided by negative 6. Nicely done. It's gonna be 2. So it's gonna be negative 8 plus 2. Right. So it's gonna be negative 6. Obviously in the exam I'll check it with a calculator too. Okay. Roy bought 2 erasers at 49 cents each. Okay, and 6 pens at that amount each from school bookshop. The shopkeeper asked for 13.50 without doing the actual calculation. Use estimation to determine whether the charge of that thing is reasonable. Okay, let's estimate this to be 50 cents. This to be $2. Yeah, let's estimate. So if this thing is above that thing, it's not reasonable. Okay, so there's 2 erasers, so it's 2 times 50 cents will give you, okay, I'll do 0.5. Okay, so it's gonna be $1. Shouldn't be writing this. Okay, never mind. In the exam, what you present, erasers, 2 erasers, $1. 6 pen, $12. So $13 is the maximum you can charge. How this shopkeeper is a liar. No, like you see, even if you overestimate the cost, right, it should only be $13, and he's asking for $13.50. So he's cheating this Leroy person. Can you factorize this thing completely? Factorization is just take out whatever common factor there is. I see A, and 28 can be divided by 7 also, so I can take out 7A. 28 divided by 7 is going to be 4, and 4y. 4y minus 1. That's it. 7a times 4y minus 1. And then we have this thing. Oh look, I can take out the 2. Okay, 5x minus y plus 18z, because I take out 2. X minus y. Look, there's x minus y both sides. So x minus y, 5 plus 18z. And that will be it. Yeah, that's it. Okay. X minus y and 5 plus 18z. Express the following correct in 2 decimal places. I mean 2 significant figures. First two, 41410. And here, I'm always confused with this. It should be here, these two. So it's going to be 0.061. Evaluate the following without use of calculator, giving your answer in the simplest form. Okay, so this one is going to be negative 104 plus 1 over 6 divided by 1 over 3 minus 1 over 2. Let's change everything to, okay, this one. Okay, let's do this. 1 over 6. Let's change both of them to be 12. Yeah, common base 12. 12. It's going to be negative 3 plus 2. And then divided by, I can change this to 12, but not necessary. I'll change it to 6. 2 minus 3. Yeah, because I'm timesing 3 to get the 6 there. Okay. We're going to have negative 1 over 12 divided by negative 1 over 6. Oh, this is nice. Okay. So negative 1 over 12 times 6 over negative 1. Cancel, cancel. You're going to get 1 over 2. Okay, we're almost done. The following diagram shows the sides of an isosceles triangle. Isosceles, always important. Something here, here. Express a parameter. Okay, just add them up. So it's going to be 7x plus y minus 4 times 2 plus 11x minus 3y. 14x plus 2y minus 8 plus 11x minus 3y. You add them up, 25x and negative y minus 8. That's the answer. Okay, I can't fit that thing. Let me fit it. Okay, there we go. If x is that and y is that, sub in. Okay, sub in 25 times 2.4 minus 1.2 minus 8. Calculator, please. Okay, 25 times 2.4 minus 1.2 minus 8. 50.8 centimeters. There we go, we're done now. Okay, done.